A little experience. Next time, when the nice weather. Sisama mo nga ito mamukot. Bayaran daw kayo.
You get a picture of the resort there.
Okay. The scary one.
It's a nice experience.
Nice experience.
You know, because there's
Malaking
no
alon,
motor.
kung di malaking alon, malayo
Oo.
tayo.
No motor.
Oo. Next time, next na pag maganda ang alon. Oh, kasi matagal pa yan dito eh, 6 na buwan.
Lalapyakan pati tayo.
Oo. Lalaki yung alon. Okay. Enough. Anos.